This is my run to Niagara Falls at night. I was planning on seeing the waterfalls lit up and running, and then doing it in the morning when I was hoping it would be quiet, just to film it. But as you will be able to see by the end of this video, the tomorrow run doesn't happen. So I was staying close to the actual falls. All I had to do was run down this hill, and the waterfalls are straight ahead of us as we look. And that's a little information booth there to the right that you just saw. I will say now that this, as all my runs and every video, is filmed on my GoPro, and it doesn't work as well at night, or I don't know how to set it up at night. So the images are decent enough, but they're not to the usual standard. Apologies for that. So I'd gotten down to this point of the run, and I was expecting people to be there, Niagara Falls at night, but I didn't expect this crowd that greeted me when I got there. I didn't really know what was going on. As I've said at other points in different videos, the start of my journey was quite well planned out. I knew where I was going and what was happening and the events that were in the cities. But toward the end, my planning of a million different cities had obviously tailed off, and I wasn't aware that there were fireworks in Niagara Falls at night. And the fireworks run from, I think it's the 7th June, this is the 1st of June, I think it might have been the first night of the run. June, July and August, and they're displayed on a Friday, Saturday and a Sunday, and they're from 10 PM. I randomly, without knowing, went for my run at 10 PM, and so this is why there's so many people here. I'm running, trying just to find a little gap on the wall just to see the waterfalls at night. But as you can see, it's rather busy. These are the falls at night, and again, it's filmed on a GoPro, so it's not the most crystal footage. So this is where I have my disaster. As I've explained, and as you can see, there are fireworks. I am very distracted by these fireworks, and as you can tell, I'm on my phone and I'm not paying much attention to where I'm running. I'm on a curb, which I've forgotten about. You can see I'm on an upper level, and on the left is a lower level. Well, I forget this, and well, you're about to see.
You okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Sure? Okay?
Yeah, fine.
Throw it along.
Thank you.
So unfortunately, with my pride being a little sore and my body, I forget to record my GoPro again, and this is all on my phone. And coming up are the injuries I